welcome back to our unboxing series on our YouTube channel. So today we're unboxing the June box. This month is an island paradise theme, and it will transform you from the everyday to the ecstatic, from the boardroom to the boardwalk. And we think that this is our best month yet. So if you haven't snagged up this box already, definitely go to our website and get yourself a box. It is amazing. So we're going to jump straight into the box. First we have our Oceanfront Coconut Artisan Soap. This smells like a refreshing ocean with a hint of mint, and it's going to remind you of a busy boardwalk on the beach. And I know you guys know exactly what that scent is. It's so nice. Some of the powerhouse ingredients in this soap include olive oil, coconut oil, water, organic palm, shea butter, and Kaolin clay. And next we have the gorgeous Shimmering body oil by Roses and Rosé. So are you ready to hashtag get your glow on? This body oil is lightweight, dries super quickly, and will leave your skin with a bronzed, shimmery glow. This is perfect if you're going out to brunch with your friends, or if you have a night on the town and you want your skin to have that gorgeous glow to it. It's made with apricot, grapeseed, almond, and coconut oils. So to use this beautiful oil, apply it onto clean skin after exfoliating so that your skin is nice and smooth. And then wait 5 minutes before dressing because you want glitter on your skin, not all over your clothes. And next we have the amazing Sphinx. This is so exciting. You will wonder how you got by without it, I promise you. We pride ourselves on bringing you guys products that you might have not used before, and this is it. Sphinx is an all-in-one razor that includes water, a moisturizing bar, and 2 razor blades. This is perfect just to pop in your purse in case you have a date, or you've forgotten to shave, or you missed a spot and only noticed after you left the house. I have been there. This is amazing. So you'll see when you open up your bath blessing box that we've kept the Sphinx in its original box because that's all the instructions in there for you so that you use it properly and how to get the most out of it. So next we are bringing back a favorite brand with this moisturizing pina colada body butter. I actually had to be reminded that this is not food. It smells exactly like a pina colada. It is so delicious and it's so generously filled. The product comes right up to the top of the container. It's amazing. This body butter has been created especially for bath blessing box, and it's gentle enough to use all over your body for your face, body, hands, and feet. Next we have our all-natural ginger lime beach balm. This is going to create the ultimate spa experience. This includes a burst of intense ginger essential oil balanced with sweet sharp lime, which makes for an amazing soothing combination. And this one has an extra helping of aloe added in, which has an extra skin softening effect. The essential oils that we've added will give you like a wonderful tingly feeling when you're in the bath, and will help you breathe super deeply, so just sit back and relax. And fun fact, ginger is actually known to be helpful for a bunch of skin conditions because it has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory qualities to it. And next we have a custom creation, which is our berries and champagne bath bomb. This one smells amazing. I could not stop smelling it. Oh my goodness. This is perfect for special celebrations. So if you have an anniversary coming up, or you did like a really good job at work, pop this into the bath and treat yourself. And for those of you who don't have a bathtub and have opted for the shower steamer option in your bath blessing box, this month we have a pineapple fizz for an island vibe, and a special earthly and amazing sandalwood boardwalk scent that will just take you straight to the beach. It's one of my favorite ones, I promise. And if you're subscribed for May and you got May's box, don't forget to pull out your Turkish head towel because it is perfect with these goodies this month as well. It's still the summer, and just wrap your hair in it, and oh my goodness, I promise you guys, it's so amazing. When I use it, I didn't think my hair could feel moisturized, but after I wrapped my hair in it, after I took a shower and then I took the towel off, it didn't feel the same as it normally feels. It felt so much more hydrated. So if you haven't used it yet, I definitely recommend that you do. It is really special. And if you are a subscriber, you can also check out a new feature we have in our shop, which are member exclusive items. So if you missed out on May's box and you want to pick up a Turkish head towel, or if you want to get one for your friend because they're amazing, check out the description box below to find the steps on how to find the shop if you haven't checked it out yet. So thank you so much for watching. In the comments down below, tell me what your favorite item from the May box was. What was mine? I think it was the Turkish head towel. I use it every time I shower now, and it is absolutely fabulous. So let us know down below what your favorite product was, and tell us what you're excited about for June. I think the Shimmering body oil is pretty cool, but the Sphinx Razor, I think, wins it for me. I'm going to Italy this summer, and that is definitely getting packed in my bag. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Oh, and before we forget, there's a separate video on this, but I wanted to mention it in this video too. We have a gentleman's box now. So if you have a man in your life who loves pampering himself, or one that you think maybe he needs to be pampered, definitely check out that box. We will have the video linked here for you, and also down below. My boyfriend tested out all the products, and he is a huge, huge fan, and they smell really, really good, I promise. So anyways, yes, definitely check out that video, and we will see you next time. Bye!